here.
Since OFS has come forward to recruit you all, so I heartily congratulate OFS team for giving a wonderful opportunity. So my hearty thanks and welcome to Naveen sir and Balaji for a great opportunity to provide it to us. Thank you so much, sir. We'll start with the pre-placement talk. After that, we'll have our online test.
Happy to visit the campus. After 2005, last year I came over here. First campus visit. This is the second year I'm coming over here. Anyway, I want to introduce myself, right? First of all, I'm Naveen Kumar. I'm a talent acquisition lead. I'm Object Frontier Software. I've been with the company for past 7 years, the same company. I'm taking care of talent acquisition team. With me, Mr. Balaji. He's been joined for 1 year before. He's an MBA from your college, Veltech. And me too, I finished my MBA from Veltech, Arts and Science College. And we both are alumni of your college. We are happy to see you after 7 years. I've been back to the company over here. It's really awesome campus. A lot of changes has been happened. I was very happy to see that. Anyway, we'll go with the Object Frontier. Anyway, I just want to know from you guys, what do you know about Object Frontier before going into any kind of discussion? You know about Object Frontier. We have been this second year we're coming out with the Veltech. So have you come across anything about Object Frontier? You know anything? Have you done any kind of study about the company before coming over here? Normally, anyone, if anyone who wants to go to another new company with the interview, we need to see about the company, right? Have you done anything, any kind of study towards that yesterday? No one? Can you tell about what the Object Frontier is doing?
This company is mainly work for software development, and it has many branches like USA and so many branches in all over the country.
Actually, I want to know something about this company. This is the outsourcing of software development as well as product management. And it is started in 1997. 1997.
Anyone else? Okay.
Thanks guys. Anyway, I'll just come across right now what is Object Frontier is doing. It's my pleasure to introduce my company over here, my college. So anyway, I'll tell about what is Object Frontier Software is doing. Anyway, Object Frontier, as you guys know, has been started in 1997, and we have a franchise in USA and Norway, Philippines region too. So we belong to an oceanic group. First of all, going on to things. We belong to an Oceania group. So what is this Oceania group doing in fact? So we're going to see Object Frontier is a part of Oceania group. We have more than 2,000 employees working under. And aquaculture, we have in the food processing unit, we have 2 factories, one in Marakanam and another in Annur in Chittoor district. Both are more than 50 acres of land. We had our own factory, more than 2,000 employees are working in this. What they do in that factory, we cultivate a kind of a food processing instance, like we have mangoes, carrot and pulps. We just we buy that and we change it to a kind of processing unit and we sell it to the US, other markets in the US and Europe region. We export that to the other countries. And in the aquaculture, it's more of a kind of a prawns and other things, fishes. We just build in that and we sell it to the other countries. We export that to other countries. Apart from that, it's part of Object Frontier. It's an entirely separate division, so you don't need to think if I've been recruited, where I've been placed, either in the retail or in the software. We came here for the software, so you'll be, if you've been shortlisted, you'll be brought in the Object Frontier. So Object Frontier is a software company, more of, we have been put up in Asandas, so it's a part of Oceanic. So, as I said, what's OFS history? We need to know, right? When we have started, and we started in 1997, founded in Atlanta, in US, Georgia state, and it's been Frontier Stood. In 1999, we have been developing the first kind of software tool, which we, our own team has been developed this tool and been exported to the US, and it's called Frontier Suite 1.0 development. That's we have a center in India. So first of all, we started in Egmore, a small, it's more than 1,000 square feet of place where we started this company initially in 1997. And then we, 1999, we've been started. 2000 is kind of Frontier Suite 2.0 EJP. It's another suite of next version of development from the first 1999 we developed, right? It's a 2.2 other version. And in 2001, JDO implementation, it's a more of a technical term. So the JDO is some kind of, it belongs to a J2E kind of a product which we developed and been sold in the market. 2002, again a Frontier Suite 3.0. In 3, again financial software for banks. We are famous in the banking side. Most of the products which we develop will be in the banking and healthcare divisions. So this is what which we do until 2003. And later, at the time, we called ourselves as a product engineering expertise. So we create a product which has been more of into, which helps the customers towards in their services. So it's more of a product engineering expertise which we call till 2003. So later, we changed our module to outsource the product development. We changed our things to outsource the product development part. So it's more of what is outsourced. Outsourced is something, the product which has been already developed and it's been implemented in all over the world. So we need to do some kind of, we need to do a kind of a service to their products which they already have, and it's a kind of enhancement to the next version. So which we taken at the time of 2004 to 6, we made as an outsourced product development company, and from there in 2006 to 8, it's an ISO 9001, 2008 we got a certification, and we are an OPD partner for healthcare. So we started being more of a strong side in the healthcare side, and then 8 to 10 we entered into mobile platform side, it's called mobile applications, and then later being changed, there is again there is a change with the market side. In 2010 to 15, it's kind of more of a digital transformation. We are into Android, iOS, and Windows, BlackBerry side, and apart from that, we are into digital transformation side. So what is digital transformation? It's go green concept, more of changing everything in online, not being into any kind of paperless work. It's more of a digitalized environment. So everything should be viewed into 3D side. You're going to see, visualize anything in the 3D dimension to get the object how it will be in engineering background side. We're going to be more of a digital transformation also in the same way, which we right now newly launched in this year. So you need to know who are our leadership. So who is leading this company. So he's Mr. James Walter. He's a vice chairman of the board, and he's the CEO of the company too, who sits in the OFS India office, and he's a CEO and co-founder too of the organization. We've been strong in the engineering side and the database specialist too. He started as a database developer in the initial stage, and later on with the he's a strong towards in the database engineering, and he's an expert towards in that area. He's a Rich Nipoli. He's taking care of CEO operations in the US, and he takes care of, he's a CEO of US region. We have OFI called as in the US, so he's a person who takes care of CEO of US region. Dominic Savio is a Chief Technology Officer. Both James and Dominic are brothers. They both only a co-founder too, who started this organization. And he's Mr. Alvin Ryder. He's a Vice President of the Operations. who currently taking care of Indian operation, and Mr. James Thompson is a Chief Financial Officer who's taking care of more of the accounting side with the financial side, and Bob Karmich is a Vice President of Sales who's been more of 25 years of experience, and he brings more business to the company. So this is our leadership team who plays a vital role in all the events. So where we have been located, we have our global presences located in headquarters in Atlanta, and offices in New Jersey, Pennsylvania and Virginia, and sales support office in Norway. We have started our new wing in Norway to expand our business towards in that area, and offshore development center in Ascendas. We have 2 units in Ascendas in phase 1 as well as in phase 3. So where we have another marketing network too in US, Canada, Sweden, Middle East and Philippines region. So clients are from North America, Canada, UAE, India and Sweden side and Philippines also. So these are some of our infrastructure where we are put up in Chennai. Most of them come across this place because you guys are from IT environment, we've been passed on to this OMR side in Taramani, Cadel Park. You can see this building which will be there in Ascendas, which famous name is Ascendas. So it's in a Pinnacle. We have, as I said, we have 2 offices, one in Pinnacle in Ascendas, again one more in Zenith. These are 2 our workstations, some of the photographs for your group. And we have been certified with the ISO 9001-2013 we have a certified company with the Suntone as well as in the Oracle side. So what we do, what are the services which we offer? We are into product development, more of a product architecture, new product development and enterprise mobile product and application side, and product maintenance which we do towards the maintenance and support, and with the quality QA side, we involve into not only maintenance, we would be put on our effort towards in the testing part, more of it a manual and automation platform side. And apart from that, we are technology verticals towards in the open platform, towards in the Java, our strong towards most of the almost 7 years in this company. So you can see how the motivation and the employees, they are very happy inside. So that kind of attrition rate which we have, and we recruit the product developers and architects. So not as software engineers, normal which other companies do. So we recruit someone who is really good towards their talent, who can able to imply your thoughts towards in the product development side. So that's what we need to go for. So our tools which these are the other products which we develop. It's more of a AML, the banking anti-money laundering. Most of our Indian overseas bank has been using this application, and in Philippines, 5 banks have been using this application. The State Bank also use this AML anti-money laundering, which is our product. Base 60, a trust banking system, which is again one more product which we developed towards in the banking side. Call Q, it's an aware collection management side, and InstaMessage. These are the products which we develop and we which sells to the other companies. So industry vertical side, which we are strong in healthcare and the banking financial side, and energy, insurance, manufacturing. These are the other wing of which we are imply our thoughts towards in these areas too. So apart from the industry verticals, so retail and knowledge management also comes in that. So how career roadmap. So everyone who joins in our organization, they need to know how they need to take their career towards the next level. So if you join here as a trainee software engineer, then you will be moving on to a junior software engineer, senior software engineer, and technical leader. So in between you will be having a team leader, then you will be moving on to technical leader. So later you can decide yourself how you want to take. So if you want to take towards in the technical side, you can grow in this way, where senior technical leader and architects, where you can grow. I want to be a database specialist. If you have a separate path over there, where you can be a database administrator and senior database administrator side, where you can develop your career towards in that path. If you say, I want to be more technical side, I want to be very strong in technical, I want to grow myself in technical, you can grow in this way, where technical architect, system architect, enterprise architect, it would go as the vice president and chief technology officer. So you can grow in this way. No, I'm very strong in the management. I have people handling as well as I have a strong in client handling. I'm more strong in the management. Yeah, you have a road towards in that way where you can grow as an associate project manager, senior project manager, program manager, and vice president, and you can reach a chief development officer. So you have both the path where you can select yourself. So which one you are very strong based on your 2-3 years of experience which you create in our organization. I'll be strong towards the management, I'll be strong towards the technical side. You can decide which road you want and you can take towards in that way. So you have an opportunity with our object-oriented software. So what kind of training which we do? So we identify the talented resources and provide the job training. That's more of a kind of on-job training, and train to become a solution engineers and not a technical coders. So what is that technical coders? I'm going to do a coding. So what is you'll not be with me in the coding part. Then what are you going to do with me then? So we hire someone who feels like client will come and reach us with a different aspect. The client will say, this is a problem which I'm facing. So client expect from an engineer, he wants a solution for that problem, right? We need to provide a solution to the problem. Along with that, we need to do a kind of coding, right? So you will be in that place where we recruit a person towards who will provide a solution. You need to be strong in providing the solution to the problem, not just sitting and doing a coding. Coding, yeah, anyone can do. Yeah, you guys are strong towards in the Java.net, you can do. Anyone can do. But solution provider, a person who is specialized in doing that only can able to do that. So that's the reason we hire a solution engineers, not technical coders. So build a cross-platform expertise. So we train towards in the different cross-platform side. Not only in the Java, you'll be trained towards in the .NET, and you'll be trained towards in the mobile application. So later we'll decide. So which are the technologies you're very strong and easy to adopt. So based on your recommendation, based on the training, we will be put on into that project where you can apply your thoughts and provide a personality development and software skill training. We have a separate program which goes on all over the year. So where we have a separate trainer sits in the organization who will give a training towards in the path. So fun at work. These are the fun at work which we have. Not only we concentrate only on the work. We have a fun at work concepts too, where we apply this monthly once or 2 months once and yearly once. We have family day. So this kind of a cultural engagement activity which we do inside the organization to make sure that the employees come out from their stress. So these are some of the screenshots for your references. And this is an annual family day event which we celebrate, 1 day event, where you can bring your family members 1 day to any of the resorts which we invited. If you are being joined over in this organization, it will be where this stage will be given a kind of a motivation to the employees, because this is a stage where the employees recognition will be happen over there. So you will be recognized over here in the complete of more than 1,000 employees, 1,000 people will be there. In front of them, you will be motivated in this stage. Perform. So what is the agenda of today recruitment process? So day 1, you're going to have the pre-placement talk and online test will be there. So after this, HR discussion. So day 2, again will be group discussion, management and offer. So these things will be happening in our campus, where you need to come to our office. If you've been shortlisted today, we'll be informing you the names who have been shortlisted. So those candidates needs to come to our office to complete this process. It's just again 8 hours. Within 1 day, we'll complete all this discussion, group discussion, management. So same day the offer will be released. So what are the other things which we have? So this is our selection criteria. We require 40 numbers this year, and we are looking for a qualification from BE, BTech, EEE, CS, IT, ECE, MCA, MSc IT, Computer Science. These are the following things which we are looking out for. So percentage should be 70% and above, and history of careers max 2 papers with a valid reason. So it should be an things which we are looking out for. And terms and conditions, you will be having a 3-year service agreement. So on the day of joining, you need to provide the original certificates. So appointment terms, candidate selected after the final interview will be offered as a trainee software engineer. On-job training will be along with the self-learning process will be given, and the service agreement for 36 months, and the compensation will be for 2 lakhs for the first year. Later it will be revised based on your performance. So do you have any questions? So this is a session where you can clarify your doubts if you have anything, and if you are interested for the following terms and conditions, you can come for the online test. Any questions?
So what kind of online test is it? Programming or aptitude or?
Okay. Online test will be having the analytical and roads in the aptitude side, and technical as well as your English communication side will be checked. So it's for 50 marks, and for the period of 60 units.
And so the result of the online test will be announced today or later?
Online test will be today. The results will be announced today. Any questions? So I can take this. You are all clear with your things, right? Okay. Thanks, Arve. We'll meet you in the lab. I think Patsati will tell you which lab is going to be. Thank you.
You all know the lab is the first lab, right? Lab 1 here. Just go one by one. Please wait. Girls first. Listen, please wait. While you go, please get your hall tickets. Okay, then you can sit seated here. Okay.